So look at this symbol. You can see that a sun behind small cloud. It's a cloud and you can see a sun behind small cloud. So we have created this symbol using keyboard shortcut in our Windows computer. So for creating this, you must open your Microsoft Word in your Windows computer and you must follow this keyboard shortcut Alt 127780 for creating this symbol. So after opening the Microsoft where you can simply create this symbol. Okay, I'll show you how to create. For doing this, you must go to your computer keyboard, and suppose if your number lock is turned off, you must turn on the number lock. Now you have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press this alt key. You do not remove your finger from this alt key. That means you press and alt this alt key. At the same time, you must type here 127780. After typing 127780, you can release your finger from this alt key and you can see that the symbol have been arrived. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.